Zeal started with an idea, a spark of creativity from the marketing club. But this year, that spark turned into an explosion of energy. The excitement kicked off with the tweet wars, where participants decoded the marketing brilliance hidden inside viral tweets. Then came the mystery of the 1945 files, a thrilling investigation into a flight that mysteriously disappeared, pushing teams to think, analyze, and uncover the truth. Ideas clashed, strategies evolved, creativity exploded, and just like that, Zeal became more than an event. It became an experience.
One word that describes your Zeal journey.
Enriching.
Roller coaster.
Sleepless.
I think memorable.
Relentlessness.
I would say a roller coaster of emotions.
One thing you never expected to do as event head.
To stay in college till 6 pm, 7 pm.
One habit you picked up because of Zeal.
Brainstorming and ideation.
Last minute change in the preparation.
I have a whole story for this question. The last minute change that happened, like we were supposed to create tweets for the event, which was supposed to be prepared priorly, a day before or 2 days before. But what we decided that we will prepare tweets between 30 minutes of gap which we'll get between round 2 and round 3, and that moment was literally crazy. We were just rushing that we have to make tweets. We got finalists at that moment, and Shubh Bhaiya was like, कर लो, अब मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा. So I was like, अब तो सब मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. So that was very interesting part of the event.
Biggest this might go wrong moment.
That what you have planned for creative that has been executed properly or not.
If Zeal had a theme song, what would be?
It would be तू आके देख ले ओ मैंने रातें कितनी सारी तेरी यादों में गुजारी सोनिए.
Post reaction when you were made event head.
This must be a mistake.
One moment that made you say worth it.
There was a moment when I feel like that I should just quit, but I'm really grateful that I didn't because this moment made that all worth it.
If Zeal was a movie genre, what would be?
I would say adventurous.
One thing you never expected to do as event head.
I think praying passionately for the court to approve my ideas.
And just like that, Zeal came to a close. What began as an idea turned into moments we will carry with us for a long time. From intense competition to shared laughter, every discussion, every challenge, and every victory taught us something new. As the lights fade and the halls grow quiet, one thing remains certain. Zeal wasn't an event, it was a memory. A memory we lived, a lesson we learned, and a feeling we will never forget.